Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily separate audio from video in any Linux computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So for this you need to have some softwares like the video editors like Shortcut, Flowblade, OpenShot, Kdenlive, etc. So I will show some of the video editors where you can separate audio and video very easily in your Linux computer. So the first applications I'm gonna show you is using the Shortcut video editor. So let's open or run the Shortcut application. So you download and install it. So I'm not going to show you how to download and install it. So you can search in the App Store or you can search in the Google itself for the Shortcut application for Linux. So once you download and install it, after installing you can open, and so here I have one video file which is both video and an audio file, but I want to separate the video from the audio. So what you need to do is just drag and drop. So there is a video and audio clip in this video file. So you can see here below, you can see the voice waves below. So how you can separate it very easily, just what you need to do is just right click and you can see here detach audio, just click on it. So the audio and video get separated. As you can see, the upper one is the video section and the below one is the audio sections. So if you don't need a audio file, then you can just right click and you can just remove it and you can just keep it the video file itself. So in this way, using a shortcut app, it's very easy and very easily you can remove in very short seconds. So this is all about using a shortcut application. So I'll close this now and we'll move to the second applications named as Flowblade. I'm sure you will be quite popularly known if you're using a Linux about the Flowblade video editor. It is also highly recommended. So how you can separate the video and audio using this application. So you need to drag and drop and just pull it down to the bottom. So what you need to do is similarly like the earlier one, just right click it and you can see here split audio in the above section. Just click on it and the video and audio will get separated. So you can delete the audio or you can delete the video, whatever you want. So in this way, using a Flowblade tool, you can separate audio and video very easily. So this is all about the Flowblade video editor. Now we'll move to the third applications named as OpenShot. OpenShot is also quite popular in the Linux, as we all know. So we'll open the OpenShot. As you can see, the OpenShot user interface. So similar manner, we'll just drag and drop here. So what you need to do is just drag it in below. So as like before, just right click it and you can see here separate audio. This will make a single clip, not a multiple clip, but you can do a multiple clip, but we'll just select the single clip and the audio and video get separated, as you can see. So similarly in OpenShot video editor also, it's quite easy to separate video and audio from a complete video file. So in this way, using these three applications, you can separate audio and video very easily in your Linux computer. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.